Yes. Yeah. Yeah. We have some.
Are we sitting comfortably?
Yes, thank
If
you.
not, park your bum.
Sing a song.
I have a little something for you.
Sing for us.
Friends, Greeks, foreigners. I'll start.
Yes.
A little poem called A Dream. With just a tiny seed, a garden soon may grow. With just a drop of water, a river soon may flow. For every dream that's ever dreamt, a wish may soon come true. And so it is with life. And so it can be with you.
Okay.
Now,
Müsaade edin.